Scientists have finally figured out the mysterious origin of the world's biggest gecko, a mystery that has confused herpetologists and me for decades. You have to hear this story. This strange gecko is known from just one stuffed specimen. It was found in the basement of a French museum in 1986 by a man named Alain Delcourt. There was no label, so no one knew where it came from or when it was collected. The specimen is also missing its internal organs and most of its skeleton, which made it even harder to identify. But based on how it was preserved, it likely dates back to the 1830s, almost 200 years old. At nearly 2 feet long, it's almost twice the size of the current record holder, and it may have been big enough to eat small birds. Since it's the only specimen, we don't even know how large it could have grown. People have tried to figure out where it came from, hoping to maybe find a living one. At first, clues pointed to New Zealand. The Maori people have stories about a giant reptile called kawekawo, which sounds very similar to this gecko. In 1994, scientists tried to extract DNA from the specimen, but it didn't work. Now, years later, with better technology, they finally managed to get DNA from it. The results showed that the gecko actually came from New Caledonia. The species is now called Gigarcanum delcourti. Do you think this gecko could still be alive somewhere out there? It's something I've wondered about for years. Let me know if you think it's worth going on an expedition. But the real question is, could this giant gecko still be alive today? I've been dreaming about this for years. Should we go on an expedition? Tell me down below.